Will you marry me?
Oh my God! Yes, I will marry you, honey. I said I will marry you.
Wait. Hey, don't come close to me. What? No.
It's me.
I don't know you. Why am I seeing darkness over you? Why am I seeing darkness over you? Oh, they've sent you to me.
No, honey. Honey, you're right.
I'm going to slap you. I rebuke you. Get off my sight. They have sent you to darken my life. Leave me alone.
Honey, what is wrong with you? Please talk to me.
I'll do something terrible to you.
Are you alright? Are you sure you're...
Baby, you're here.
My sugar.
Where have you been, baby? Baby, come, baby.
I've been waiting for you for years now.
What's going on?
Will you get out of my life? Baby, where have you been now?
I've been waiting for you for years.
For you.
You know that you have not been noticing me.
What's going on here?
Hey, shut up.
Honey, look at me.
I will slap you. I will do something.
My love, focus on me.
I know, baby. Please. Will you marry me?
Sugar, not on this now. How can you propose to me with this kind of thing? No.
What do you want?
I want her to be our new maid.
Okay.
Yes, let me give it to the maid.
Please transfer. You didn't even tell me that you brought the maid. Hey, maid!
I brought a maid, though.
Stay there. You didn't even tell me that you brought the maid.
I brought a maid.
Please give her the
I don't want
clothes.
to stress myself.
Give her the clothes.
I don't want to stress my life.
Oh, yeah,
Remove now.
Remove now?
Madam, give me madam clothes.
Remove.
Madam. Do as I say.
Remove him.
Do as I say now.
My love, take your position.
This is my position.
Hey, darling, take your position, okay?
Take what belongs
Oh, yeah.
Right,
Why you
mine.
put her to the kitchen now?
Help yourself. Honey. Hey, help yourself.
Love
Honey,
is
help
sweet.
my look.
Love is sweet. Love is sweet.
Love is sweet. Love is dirty.
Wait.
We are in it. Hey, this is my house.
Maid.
Position.
Put on the clothes. Maid, I want food. Maid. Hey, baby.
Madam fits me.
This is your birthright, baby.
Isn't it?
Give me a hug.
My baby, put on the clothes so you massage my feet.
Oh, yeah.
Put on the clothes so you massage
Will
my
you
feet.
do that? I will slap you.
Baby.
I will slap you.
Baby. Tell her to wear this clothes.
Give me a dance.
This love is very sweet. Baby, tell me that this is how love is.
Love is sweeter than what you think.
I see.
It's deeper than what you feel.
For years now.
waiting for me?
I'm waiting for my baby.
Where? To the kitchen. Wash plate. Wash everything.
Don't forget this one. My feet. Oh, baby, no, my feet.
Let us see them. Massage my wife's feet.
Do you want to propose or before the feet? Which one?
Don't worry, let her massage your feet already.
I massage feet so that
Kneel
I
down.
can propose.
Massage.
Don't be a lazy maid. Oh yeah. Don't be a lazy maid. Do it well. Maybe this your love is shocking you too much. Hey, I massage.
Massage
My feet.
It's okay.
Did you say it's okay? Did you say it's okay?
You don't feel that you need
Baby, what is happening to you? Baby, please. What has come over you?
But you don't leave me. Don't ever leave me.
I will never leave you.
I will never leave you.
Anything that ever happened to me.
Yes, same here, my love. Baby, just love me very well, oh. Baby, why are you biting my ear? Is this part of love? Honey, oh.
Wait.
Baby. Honey.
Jesus.
Baby.
Come on. Hey. Come in. What are you doing with my wife's clothes?
Baby, I'm the new wife for you. You just proposed to me. You proposed to me.
What are you doing with the maid clothes? Will you remove this right now? Will you remove?
Honey.
What did you do? What happened?
You call me your sugar pie.
How? Wait. When did you come here? When did you arrive here?
I was coming inside. I saw this lady. I don't know who is she to you, but I saw her.
Are you still on my wife's clothes? I said, remove.
Okay,
before I slap you.
You. I'm okay.
Baby, please, don't cry. I said, remove this clothes right now. Remove!
You promise that you will never leave me, baby.
It's your generation that promised to not me. It's your ancestors that promised to not me. What did you do to me and my... Baby,
This
I'm
is
sorry.
my right.
Baby, I'm sorry. Baby, I'm sorry. Please, I'm very sorry. Please, baby, remove. Oh, baby, please remove. This can never be my wife. It can never be you. Please, can you remove it? Please remove it. You're not supposed to be here. You're not supposed to be wearing these clothes. Please, this is your clothes. Can you put on your clothes? Remove this one. Sorry. Hey, what have I gotten myself into? What have I just done to myself? Wear your clothes.
Baby, let's do this. Let's finish the engagement.
Baby, I'm very sorry. You! After everything my wife did for you, this is how you want to pay her back? By logging her? I am disappointed at you. Baby, it's okay. I'm very sorry. Now listen to me. I don't want to see you anywhere close to me. If I see you in this house for 1 minute, you will regret your life. Now get out.
Okay, sir, no problem. I don't want the madam again. I don't want it. But let me keep my job. Okay?
No, give what? Come on, give me that thing. For your information, you have been fired. This is my inheritance now. When I was coming from the village, Mama told me that I came here. I'm coming here to do maid. So I don't know what you're talking about, though.
I am here before you. I was here before you. This is my inheritance. No. I don't want the madam. Give me my...
Okay, send it to me.
Halele.
Now!
Olga.
You're not... Anybody! Go!
I'm sorry. I don't know what came over me. I will never hurt you. You know I will never hurt you. Please.
Sorry.
Let's start over again.
This is my clothes like this.
Yes, Uchechi. That's your clothes.
Thank you. Because this is Thank you.
Mama told me that she was going to send you to come.
I was in my room. I said it's here. I saw somebody that is walking here and opening and doing this.
My helper.
Thank you.
My savior. Thank you. God bless
Thank God
you.
Mama sent me. I even told Mama that I will come tomorrow. She now said I should enter night bus and be coming here.
Will you marry me?
Yes.
Wow! Thank you very much, okay? Thank you very much.
Before we continue, let me go inside now. I know my room. My room is down on the downstairs, so let me go and wear my clothes. Let me go and wear my proper clothes.
Who did you go to your room?
You will see my return. My returning will be better.
You're welcome. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I'm very sorry, okay?
Chai! Chai!
Nothing will separate us again
I know.
It's
in
okay.
this life, okay?
I forgive you, okay?
Thank you, my baby. Thank you.
There is no sin that will be no forgiveness.